Hey guys, so today I want to show you how I make an experimental film and what's the process behind it, and now I will give you a brief summary of what you will see and what an experimental film really is. What exactly is an experimental film? I know it's not a famous or a common used word, and that's why I'm trying to explain it. An experimental film is a certain art genre. It's a kind of art that I do. I want to develop my art into this direction and also find my own style more and more. It's a pretty wide topic, so you have a lot of options how you want to make your experimental film. There are not certain rules. It's an experiment. In the films, you begin to philosophize what things really are, and you put things into new dimensions and create new dimensions. So it's something really even spiritual, I would say. So yeah, only thing is you should film, and that's it.
Come on, let's go. I'm on a roll. I only need $1 in my pocket. A track to go. Just let it mold into your hands and watch the love turn it into a locket. Stay on the move until the moon goes round and round and round in circles clacking. Don't let the blues catch up to you.
So I've just prepared this thing here. I think it's a bit too long. I hope you can read it. I think the thing is about performances. You think they're so easy. To make a painting takes much more time, but you know, you have to prepare a lot for performances. Like this one, you want to reach perfection, kind of. So you have to organize a lot, you have to make yourself a lot, and yeah, plan. Alright, let's change the outfit.
I'm on a first name basis with danger. You're stranger when I'm there.
That's my outfit. Let's try it with the lights on.
I'm on a first name basis with danger. You're stranger.
Jetzt sieht man das Spiel. Wow, jetzt wo ich es...
I knew you a long time ago.
That's the behind the scenes. I just filmed the performance. Here I had a little sheet with what I want to do, and here is my hair, my hair that I cut off. Here is money and the cross and the mirror. Right, that's fake blood if you're wondering, and that's me. I'm just and that's money that I've eaten, that I ate. A knife, the scissors with which I cut my hair off, scarf and other sheets, and it's for my art. Well, now I have to clean everything up, but I think at first I'm going to eat because I haven't eaten for hours. But, you know, busy life of artist. The busy artist life. I'm too nervous to eat. Oh my God. I was literally shaking while I was doing the performance because everything could go wrong. I think some parts did, but you know, I will not cut my hair again. You know, I'm dying because of hunger, but I'm also too nervous to eat. But I'm afraid that I will pass out because I haven't eaten for literally hours. I think I have to just calm down and clean up a bit. Maybe change clothes, yeah. I should, because when someone walks in and I'm dressed like that, not that good idea. So yeah, let's change. So I'm dressed again, like a normal human, you know. And now, because school finishes in around 5 minutes, I have to bring some people their stuff back, especially like the cross.
Smile like Mona Lisa. Smile like Mona Lisa. Smile like Mona Lisa.
In the studio.
Smile like Mona Lisa. Smile like Mona Lisa.
I think everything is fine, okay? Fine now. I just have to bring this one upstairs and then I'm done. So that was my journey of filming an experimental film. Afterwards, I invested a lot of hours in front of the computer, editing and also finding out what I want to edit, because there are no rules. I want to create a certain atmosphere with my films, and yeah, so that's not that interesting. I give you some little clips right after this outro so you have a bit of an insight what I really do, but I will never upload an experimental film on YouTube, just that you know, because this would ruin the art behind it. So I hope you liked it. If you did, you know what to do. If you want to see more of me, my socials are linked down below. And yeah, have a nice day and be creative. Bye!